to that particular sliding window, right? Then you need to give the start timer, for which you are going to give the start timer the oldest packet. Oldest packet in the sense the first packet which you are going to pass. So you are going to give the start timer, and also if the corruption is occurring and the data loss is going to be happen, we can't expect 100% of utility, 100% of data has been transmitted for the destination. We can't expect that, because there will be a traffic congestion, right? So we will be giving this next sequence plus condition. So if any occurring if there is any loss of data, loss of packets, we will be giving the sequence to occur in a multiple times, right? This is how you are going to code the program to send the data from sender to receiver side. And also there is a else condition, refuse the data once you have already got the particular main data. If any multiple duplicate data are going to be coming, so you can refuse it and accept the original one. This is how you are going to set up the program within the go back n, okay, sliding window. So in the receiver side, you can see by default with using the unreliable data transmission, you are going the sender is going to send the packet, and the receiver it is going to receive the packet, and you can see there is no corruption within that received packet, and has here you are having the checksum, okay, sequence number and also checksum. If it is not corrupted, expected, your received packet is what you have expected, it has been got, you will be providing the once again the acknowledgement for the sender, what you have got the particular data, what you have got, whatever you have expected, you have got that, you will be providing the acknowledgement for the sender. The only thing in this concept is the data transmission, how we are going to do, if it is failed, how we are going to rebuild the connection with the sender, okay, how the utilization is done with the multiple transaction of the data. All these stories will be going on with this concept. That's it. Understood? Then in the in this flow diagram, you can see there is a packets have been sent. The 4 packets of data will be sent from the sender to receiver. So here the sliding window, it explains like this, what we have seen in this back diagram. So 14 bits, right? 14 sequence of has been transmitted. Here it is given in a number 0 to 8. So 4 bits of data. So 4 packets of data has been transmitted at the first slot. So send the packet 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 packets has been, multiple packets will be transmitting at a minute. But we are having a packet loss of, we are having the data loss in the packet number 2, right? We are getting the packet loss. At that time, what it is going to do? The receiver, he don't wants the unsequenced number to be carried on. So he will give the receiver packet 2 has been lost, but the packet 3 is arrived the receiver mode at the given time. But the receiver will discard that particular packet 3 because he didn't got the data in a sequence. So he will discard, he will send the acknowledgement, and once the packet 0 is arrived here, the sender will, once the packet 0 is completed to the receiver mode, receiver is going to give the acknowledgement for the packet 0. What is the next thing need to be happen? The next sequence, the packet, once packet 0 has received, the sender should invoke the other packet to enter into that sliding window. You can see in this diagram, once the packet 0 is received, here the sending the acknowledgement from the receiver side to the sender, and once it is done, we are going to send the packet 4 to come into the sliding window, right? In the same way, when we got the acknowledgement for the packet 1, we'll be sending the packet 5 to enter into that window, right? This is how the process will be going on using your sliding window. And you can see that there is a timeout condition also. What is the condition you may occur here? There will be loss of packets, and also there will be a time slot will be timing will be exhausting. So that is 2 condition will be happening when you are going to transmit the data using your network. Yes, sir. So here next is selective repeat. What is the selective repeat? Here you are going to have the individual acknowledgements. Individual acknowledgements in the sense all correctly received packets. Individual, I will be checking the student. As I will be taking after the class, I will be taking your attendance, right? Attendance I will be taking. So I will be checking the each individual USN and I will be marking the present. So in the same way, the selective repeat, it will be checking the individual packet, not in a multiple packets will be arriving in the. It will be checking out the transaction and the acknowledgement parallelly. But here there will be given a individual acknowledgements in the selective repeat. There is a buffer packets may occur as we needed, and there will be a eventual in order delivery to upper layer. So how the transmission will be going on from the sender to receiver up to in the bottom in the receiver side we will be getting from bottom to top, sender side from the top to bottom, right? We are giving the sequence number also here and the limited sequence number with the hash value, and we will be sending the packets data, right? This is how your window will be seen in the selective repeat. So here we are having the differentiation. There we are having when we compare the selective repeat and also go back in. So we are having a slight difference here. So here the yellow color, it says that it has been sent, the packet has been sent, but it has not got the acknowledgement. But the green color is that already acknowledged, right? But the yellow color, it is in the first slot. Yellow is first, then green. So, but yellow has not got the acknowledgement, but the green has got the acknowledgement. So, there will be a individual check and individual acknowledgement will be given. In the same way, once the packet has been gone out from the particular window, the next sequence will be entering to that particular window. So, you can see the window size